Most people get this wrong when they think about grocery delivery income. They assume the earnings are fixed or predictable every hour. But here's the truth no one tells you. Earnings from Instacart in 2026 depend heavily on location, timing, and how selective you are with batches. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is judging Instacart income based on screenshots or viral posts. That is not real-world consistency. In this video, you will learn the real earning range for Instacart shoppers in 2026, what affects your income, and how top shoppers actually maximize their pay. Let's start with the basics. Instacart pays per batch, not per hour. A batch includes picking items from a store and delivering them to a customer. A shopper like Alex in a busy city might complete multiple batches during peak grocery hours, while another shopper in a quiet area may wait much longer between orders. Now here's where it gets interesting. The same effort can lead to very different pay depending on the type of batch you accept. Small orders may pay less but take less time, while large orders can pay more but require longer shopping time. On average in 2026, most shoppers see wide earnings ranges depending on activity level. Part-time shoppers usually earn a flexible side income, while full-time strategic shoppers in high-demand areas can earn significantly more by focusing on peak hours like weekends and evenings. But here's the problem most beginners face. They accept low-paying, high-effort batches without calculating time versus payout. That leads to long store trips for very little profit. A shopper like Jake, who focuses only on high-value, short-distance batches can often earn more in fewer hours compared to someone taking every order available. Now let's break down what really affects your earnings. First is location. Busy urban and suburban zones produce more consistent batches. Second is timing. Peak grocery shopping times, especially weekends, bring higher order volume. Third is efficiency. The faster you shop and deliver, the more batches you can complete per hour. In a minute, here is a key strategy top earners use. They avoid scattered stores and instead focus on clustered locations where multiple batches come from the same area. This reduces driving time and increases hourly earnings. Another important factor is substitutions. Knowing how to quickly replace out-of-stock items can save time and prevent delays, which directly impacts how many orders you complete. So how much do Instacart shoppers really make in 2026? The honest answer is that income varies widely. Some make modest part-time income, while experienced shoppers in high-demand areas can build a strong flexible income stream by working strategically instead of randomly. To wrap it up, Instacart earnings depend on smart batch selection, strong timing, and efficient shopping habits. It is not about working more hours. It is about working smarter hours. If this helped you understand real Instacart earnings, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more real gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter in 2026.